Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if Claude AI is down using Anthropic's official status page. If Claude suddenly stops responding, won't load your conversations, displays error messages, or starts generating blank responses, your first thought might be that something is wrong with your account or device. However, many of these issues are actually caused by temporary service outages or maintenance on Claude's servers. Before spending time troubleshooting your computer or internet connection, it's a good idea to check whether the problem is affecting everyone. The first step is to open your web browser and visit Anthropic's official Claude status page. This page provides real-time information about the health of Claude services and is the fastest way to determine whether there's a known issue. The status page is maintained by Anthropic and is updated whenever the company identifies service disruptions, elevated error rates, or scheduled maintenance. Once you're on the status page, look at the list of services. You'll typically see separate entries for Claude.ai, the Claude API, Claude Code, the Claude Console, and other related services. Each service has its own status indicator, making it easy to tell whether the issue is affecting the entire platform or just one specific product. If every service is marked as operational, the problem is likely specific to your device, browser, internet connection, or account. In that case, you can begin basic troubleshooting by refreshing the page, restarting your browser, or signing out and back in to Claude. If you notice a service marked as degraded, experiencing elevated errors, or unavailable, you've confirmed that the issue is on Anthropic's side. In these situations, there's usually nothing you need to fix yourself. The status page will often include updates explaining what engineers are investigating, whether they've identified the cause, and when a fix has been implemented. As new information becomes available, those updates are posted directly on the incident page. Another useful feature is the incident history. By scrolling down the page, you can review previous outages, maintenance events, and service disruptions. This helps you understand whether the problem you're experiencing is part of a larger incident or if similar issues have occurred recently. The history also shows when an incident started, when updates were posted, and when the issue was fully resolved. If there isn't an active incident listed, but Claude still isn't working properly, wait a few minutes and check the page again. Sometimes users begin experiencing problems before an official incident has been posted, especially during the early stages of an outage. Once Anthropic confirms the issue, the status page is usually updated with additional details. You can also subscribe to status updates directly from the page. This allows you to receive notifications whenever a new incident begins or when an existing issue has been resolved, so you don't have to keep refreshing the website manually. By checking Anthropic's official status page first, you can quickly determine whether Claude is experiencing a platform-wide outage or whether the problem is isolated to your own setup. This simple step can save you time and help you decide whether to troubleshoot locally or simply wait for the service to recover. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.